Predicting the exact timeline for widespread adoption of humanoid robots in households is challenging due to various technological, economic, and social factors. However, based on current trends in robotics, AI development, and consumer technology, a reasonable prediction can be made. Key factors to consider: technological advancements, AI and robotics. Significant progress is needed in areas like artificial general intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and robotic dexterity to handle complex, unpredictable environments like homes. Battery and power efficiency. For robots to work efficiently throughout the day, battery technology needs to advance significantly. Cost and accessibility. The cost of such advanced robots needs to decrease to be affordable for the average household. Economic factors, manufacturing costs. As with all technologies, the cost of producing these robots will need to drop as economies of scale are achieved. Market demand. Early adopters and niche markets, such as elder care, will drive initial demand, leading to broader adoption as the technology becomes more mainstream. Social acceptance, trust and safety. People need to trust robots to handle sensitive tasks safely. Cultural shifts. There needs to be a shift in social norms to accept robots as part of daily life. Prediction. Given the current pace of advancement, early 2030s, we might see the first generation of humanoid robots performing specific, limited tasks in homes, particularly in wealthier households or for specialized tasks like elder care. 2040s. By this time, more sophisticated humanoid robots could become common in middle-class homes, capable of performing a wide range of household tasks. 2050s and beyond, humanoid robots could be ubiquitous with advanced AI capable of managing entire households, including cooking, cleaning, childcare, and more. These predictions are optimistic and assume continuous advancements without major technological or economic setbacks. Real-world adoption could be slower or faster depending on unforeseen breakthroughs or challenges.